Weak Wi-Fi in some rooms, slow speed, dead zones everywhere. It is frustrating, but you can fix your entire home network with AiMesh. Let me show you the easiest setup method. First, understand this. Asus AiMesh lets you connect multiple routers into one powerful Wi-Fi network. It gives better coverage and stable speed. Now follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Check compatibility. Make sure both routers support AiMesh. Go to Asus official website and confirm your model. Both routers should have latest firmware. Step 2. Update firmware. Connect to your main router. Go to Settings, then go to Administration, then go to Firmware Upgrade, then select Check. Update both routers before setup. This avoids most setup issues. Step 3. Reset secondary router. This is very important. Reset the second router to factory settings. Press and hold reset button for 10 seconds. Wait until it restarts. Step 4. Place routers properly. Keep routers close during setup, around 3 to 5 feet distance. After setup, you can move them. Step 5. Start AiMesh setup. Open Asus Router app on your phone, or use browser. Go to Settings, then go to AiMesh, then select Add AiMesh node. Now your main router will search for the second router. Step 6. Add the node. When the second router appears, select it, click Apply. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not unplug anything during this time. Step 7. Confirm connection. Once connected, you will see the node in AiMesh list. Now both routers are working as one network. Same Wi-Fi name, same password. Step 8. Optimize placement. Now move the second router to another room. Keep it halfway between main router and weak signal area. Avoid walls and metal objects. Step 9. Advanced optimization. Enable Smart Connect. Go to Settings, then go to Wireless, then enable Smart Connect. This automatically switches between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Step 10. Troubleshooting tips. If node is not detected, restart both routers. Reset the node again. Make sure firmware is updated. If connection drops, move routers closer. Avoid interference from other devices. If your AiMesh setup is not working, write your issue in the comments. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Follow these steps properly, and your home Wi-Fi will become fast, stable, and fully covered.